Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audioconcepts, and we're doing a SVR today. Quick little demo. Love these SVRs. They just sound so perfect. This one is available to rent if you guys are interested. Let me just start this up. So SVR. Just beast of vehicles these are. What have we done? We have done a Meta S5 Deadlock to this, so now it can be rented out, but the owners will know if anything dodgy is going on. So original key, we've added some fobs, the famous S5 Deadlock fobs. These are brilliant. I'm going to give you a little demo on how the system will work. So the vehicle has started purely because we've got this tag, which is here. If the tag is not available in the car will not start. Now, in a nightmare situation where someone will break into your house and basically steal your keys and the fob, I will now show you how to prevent that from happening. Okay, so watch this. Okay folks, so the car's running, as you can see. I'm now going to switch it off. Open and close the door so it powers down. This is an engineering app, shows where the car is and all the things we can do. Now gonna send it an engine immobilizer, and there we are, it's saying success. This now goes up to the satellite and takes a few seconds to do. So while we're waiting, I'll just blabber on. Let's just see if the command is delivered. Okay, so command is delivered. We are now gonna, there's the keys to the car. We are now gonna go and start it. Okay, so I'm trying to start it. I'm just getting bongs and the dashboard is going off as there's no key in the car, but there is the key. And there's also the Bluetooth tag, but in this case we're eliminating it as if the house has been broken into and all the keys have been taken. Okay, so now we're going to wait for the car to die off again. Go back to my app. Let's turn the engine immobilizer off. Okay, so it's showing success. Give it a few seconds because again got to go to the satellite and so forth. There's the keys, start button, and beautiful. Look at that, Habibi, listen to that. Now this is a beautiful example of an SVR, and it's available from our colleagues at MJ Hire. Give them a shout. They've got a couple of these, they've got a couple of M4s and some supercars. They're based in Bristol. Give them a ring. Their details will be on Instagram and Facebook, etc. Great guys. Thank you for watching. If something like this interests you or you want to protect your toy, this is the ultimate. So what have we got here? We've got, someone tries to tow this, which they're not really because it's an automatic, but you will get a telephone call. If someone tries to trailer this, you will get a phone call. If someone tries to attempt with the electrics, try to start it or try to disconnect the battery, you will get a phone call. If they try to do relay theft or copy the key, same principle, it will not start and notify you. If they break into your house and they steal the keys, in this case I showed you, your mobile phone will override. And if you're really unlucky, they've taken the keys, the tab and your mobile phone, the call center, if you ring them from a landline or anything, they will override the car, meaning your baby is secured and basically you rest assured nothing's ever going to happen. If you're interested, it's Waz, B&B Audioconcepts. Give us a shout. Thank you very much.